candidate in respective constituency.
The Meghalaya Cabinet has finalized the schedule for the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council and Jhadc Hills Autonomous District Council elections, awaiting the Governor's approval for an official announcement. Chief Minister Khadc emphasized the government's commitment to transparency and due diligence in the electoral process. Once approved, the government will release the full schedule, marking a significant step in facilitating regional democracy.
Today decided that on the schedule for the conduct of the elections to the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council and the Jhadc Hills Autonomous District Council, and these elections, the entire schedule of the elections has been finalized by or approved by the cabinet. But of course, as you're aware, all of this has to be approved by the governor, and therefore once it is approved by the governor, only then can we officially announce it. But the cabinet has now approved and proposed it for further approval of the Honorable Governor of our state.
The Meghalaya Cabinet, led by Chief Minister Khadc